Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In a world shifting rapidly towards sustainable mobility, Cadillac has entered the fray with an electrified masterpiece, the 2025 Cadillac Lyriq EV. Combining avant-garde design, cutting-edge technology, and a commitment to sustainability, the Lyriq embodies Cadillac's bold vision for the future of luxury electric vehicles. Front grille transformation. The illuminated black crystal grille is not just a bold aesthetic choice but also a hallmark of Cadillac's reimagined design language. The dynamic light choreography welcomes you with a signature glow every time you approach. Interior. Step inside, and you're transported to a realm of unmatched comfort and sophistication. Panoramic display. A stunning 33-inch curved LED display dominates the dashboard, providing a seamless interface for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Super Cruise. The Lyriq features Cadillac's hands-free driver assistance technology, capable of functioning on over 400,000 miles of mapped highways across North America. Augmented reality navigation. The heads-up display projects turn-by-turn directions and real-time traffic information directly onto the windshield. Mobile connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility ensure seamless integration with your digital life. Sustainability. Cadillac is committed to sustainability beyond just the vehicle. The Lyriq is manufactured at GM's Spring Hill, Tennessee plant, powered by renewable energy sources. Additionally, the Ultium platform relies on responsibly sourced materials to reduce its environmental impact. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Cadillac Lyriq EV starts at $58,590 for the rear-wheel drive model, with the all-wheel drive variant priced slightly higher. Cadillac also offers subscription-based upgrades for enhanced features, giving owners flexibility as their needs evolve. The 2025 Cadillac Lyriq EV isn't just an electric vehicle, it's a statement of Cadillac's dedication to innovation, luxury, and sustainability. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an eco-conscious driver, or someone seeking the pinnacle of modern luxury, the Lyriq is poised to exceed expectations. What do you think about the 2025 Cadillac Lyriq? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more updates on the latest in automotive